Good afternoon, Pop-Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. This is swarm number 5 of 2026. This is my second one for today. First one was at Lowe's. Got a call on this one that didn't have any frames. So these girls here were hanging on a tree branch. Now they're home. We're gonna put them in here on these frames now. Pretty decent fucking swarm there. Lots of bees. Nice swarm. Ready to draw wax. I've got them some empty frames here and some drawn ones, so we're gonna let them draw wax because that's what they're programmed to do right now. This just went down so quick I didn't even get a picture of them hanging. I was upset that I didn't have any more equipment with me, but this will work out just fine. So we got them in there now. They've been installed. And we're gonna go check the rest of our traps to see how that's shaking out today. All right, y'all can get out of there. Mama ain't in there no more. She's in the box. Get all of that out of their way so they aren't messing around with it. And hopefully they stay. Been a pretty good day today. Hopefully I'll be tickled to death for the traps to have a couple of scouts checking them out, but we're gonna know that here in just a minute. Pop-Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. That's number 5 for this year and number 2 for today. I'll get some videos posted a little later. And there they are. They're fanning, she's in there. And they're in a box of frames now, so maybe they'll be happy. That was caught here in Vanceboro. On the edge of a swamp, got me a new trap location. I'm gonna go over there and set a trap and see if we can catch some more of them Vanceboro swamp bees. Pop-Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.